What if you could wake up and see money added to your account while you were sleeping? Sounds fake, right? But every day, millions of people earn money without working hour by hour. The secret? They stopped trading time for money and started building systems. This is how passive income really works. Most people think making money only happens when you work. You go to a job, work 8 to 10 hours, get paid once a month, and repeat the same cycle forever. But rich people think differently. They build something once and get paid again and again. That's called passive income. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Passive income is not easy money. You don't become rich overnight. In the beginning, you actually work more than normal people. A YouTuber may spend months making videos before earning a single dollar. Someone selling digital products may fail 20 times before one product finally works. But once the system starts working, money keeps coming in even when they sleep. Think about Netflix. They created a system once. Now millions pay them every month. Or think about a YouTube channel. One video can make money for years. That means you work once, but get paid many times. Here are some real passive income ideas people use today. YouTube automation channels, selling ebooks or courses, affiliate marketing, print-on-demand stores, investing in stocks or crypto, apps and websites, digital templates and designs. The internet made it possible for ordinary people to build income from anywhere. But there's a problem. Most people quit too early. They upload 3 videos, make no money, and give up. They expect passive income to work instantly. But real success takes time. The first stage is hard. The middle stage is slow. But the final stage changes everything. Because eventually, your content, your business, or your investments start working for you. So here's the real question. Do you want to work for money forever? Or do you want money to slowly start working for you? Because freedom doesn't come from working harder every day. It comes from building something that keeps paying you, even while you sleep. Start small. Be consistent. And give your future self a chance. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more videos about money, mindset, and financial freedom. And remember, the goal isn't to get rich fast. The goal is to stop staying broke forever.